Uptown Swing, level 2,
That's
tempo.
That's correct, Naomi.
Bryce.
Tonight we did jockey, 5, 6, 7, and hey. We did a couple. Then we did a circle with holds. Hey, oh. Then we did a swing out. We went hey, do go ga, do ga, do go ga.
Hey.
Then we did a little correction on the circle. Followers, we really aimed for doing it in place, whether we're doing triple steps or holds. Leaders, you're supposed to get around. Followers, you're not supposed to help your leader. That steals away a lot of the feeling. Then we did Frankie sixes with holds.
Hey, ho. Hey, ho. Hey, ho. Hey, ho. Ha.
That's just another option. So then we mixed up our kicks, our holds, and our triple steps, depending on how comfortable we were, and we tried to keep things nice and relaxed when things get fast. That's it.